welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to download and install the BeReal application. So for that, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Tap open that. Once you open the Google Play Store, you need to tap on the search bar on the top, and there you need to type in BeReal and tap on search. It will show you the search result on the top. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be fully downloaded. This process is for the Android users. If you are using a Apple device, you will need to go to the App Store and download this application. BeReal is the simplest photo sharing app to share once a day your real life in photos with friends. It is a photo sharing application that allows users to post one photo per day to show their followers what they are doing in real time. As you can see, the downloading process is also completed. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the BeReal application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.